Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Freely. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a video about this bay right here. So right here is the Zhiyun Weebill S with the Canon M50 on top of the classic battery grip from custombatterygrips.com, and then a double mic from Movo. So yeah, today's video is going to be about that today. This is going to be more of an introductory video. You guys can ask questions about this in the comments, whatever you guys want to know. But yeah, so let's get to testing this right now. I have my cousin Stefan right there. He's going to be skateboarding. I'll give you guys some pros and cons about this, and then for anything else, you guys can leave it down in the comments below if you guys have any questions or comments or whatnot. So let's get into it. It's so hot here in San Antonio. I'm literally sweating. I've been out here for like 3 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Oh goodness.
I was going fast.
Yeah.
I was getting kind of scared.
So as you can see, gimbal's pretty nice and easy to use. Only issue with having the mic on top, there's just not enough clearance right there. So if you have a mic on top, it won't be the best solution, especially if you have it on the battery grip. Oh goodness.
Oh my gosh.
So I really like this setup because with the battery grip, you don't need to change the batteries as often. As many of you may know, that the Canon M50's battery life is just not that great. So, you know, with the battery grip, it does add that extra layer of like security, being able to like go on long shoots without having to change batteries. The only downside is it just really brings the M50 a lot higher than it should be. So like, see, this is the bottom. And this is where the M50 is. You have about that much space. So yeah, I mean, that's like a downside too. Once again, you know, clearance wise, you know, if you want to go like this, obviously your mic will be in the way. But overall, yeah, it's really cool. I'm really enjoying it. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. But leave your guys' comments in the comment section below what you guys want to know, and any of your guys' questions, I'll try to be answering it in a one big video or just like individual videos. I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna do this, but definitely, yeah, this is one of the videos I've been wanting to put out. Oh, it's so hot, for a while now. Special thanks to Stefan for letting me film him skateboard, and yeah, he's a trooper. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.